The Spring ETC Conference is right around the corner, Saturday, February 28, 2026, at Cesar Chavez Junior High School in Ceres, California. Educators from across our region will gather to learn, network, and continue to master their craft. This is set to be a very special year for the event as we celebrate 25 years of the annual ETC Conference. This full-day conference will feature opening ceremonies, a vendor hall, 4 60-minute concurrent sessions, and a few other surprises that will be announced as the conference approaches. Returning to ETC this year is our District Spotlight sessions. This is a fantastic opportunity for districts within Stanislaus County and beyond to showcase transformative initiatives and connect with surrounding districts and attendees interested in replicating their success. This will take place before and during the first session of the ETC conference and is guaranteed to get the event off on the right foot. Also returning for its second year in a row will be our Mario Kart tournament, where participants will gain a first-hand experience of what students encounter with the ever-growing esports leagues in our schools. Make sure to get signed up in the morning to participate in this video game extravaganza. ETC will offer over 30 unique presentations, giving participants many options to select from. Session topics will include Adobe, AI, computer science, Edge protocols, Google Workspace, project management, subject-specific content for math, ELA, STEAM, and others, social emotional learning, and so much more. Classroom teachers, library and media specialists, administrators, para-educators, tech coaches, and IT professionals are typically the target audience for sessions. However, anyone and everyone involved with education is invited to attend. One continuing education unit will be available through Stanislaus State for those who are interested. Lunch is going to be provided by the incredible Kickin' Taco food truck. Finally, prizes will be raffled off at the end of the day to some lucky winners. So visit stanco.org/springetc to find out more information and to register to attend the 2026 Spring ETC Conference at Cesar Chavez Junior High. stanco.org/springetc.